Hi guys, this is Paul from Nairobi Power Bikes, and our new customer Mr. Hudson just purchased the Tekken 250cc oil-cooled bike with the inverted shocks, crash guards, engine guards, hand guards. So it's very good for beginners and also people who want to upgrade from 150cc. This is the bike for you. The price of this bike goes for 325,000 with all the 3 boxes, and without the boxes goes for 310,000 Kenyan shillings. We also have the Lipa Pole Pole where you pay slowly to the company account. After the full payment, you come to your bike. So it's good for people who would like to save with us. And also for the financing option part, you need a deposit of 120, 6 months bank statement, 3 months payslip, Indian KRA pin. After 5 working days, you come pick your bike. So in case of any question, feel free to call me 0720 965 222 Paul. Also comes with the keyless start engine. This fitted with the alarm system. You can switch off the alarm, and also you can start your bike without using your key, like that. And you can switch it off like that. So it's a really good bike. Come get your bike, off-road bike. It can go in any terrain, good for long distance, good for beginners, people want to upgrade from 150cc. This is the bike for you. So come get your bike. Welcome to the family.